Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study for an REI client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So we're going to review a 30-day window on this campaign. This specific campaign has a budget of $10,000 per day. We've driven 4,793 clicks, 383 conversions or leads. And we have right at an 8% conversion rate. It's a little bit lower than normal. However, based on the amount of sheer volume that we're driving, we're using keywords that are more broad match, so it converts a bit lower, but we're getting the volumes we need. Our cost per acquisition is $374.98. It's well below our maximum goal. And we've spent $143,615 in the last 30 days. This specific campaign is driving both lead gen form, so name, email, address, phone number, or calls. So they pick up the phone, dial the number from their landline or mobile device, or they can touch to call, and all those leads on the lead gen form and the calls, they track back into the campaign here so that they can be utilized for driving higher ROI. Let's take a look at a few of our ad groups here. Ad groups are basically just categorizations of what we're going to focus on, and then inside of there are different types of keywords that we're driving. So cash for houses, they include all of our keywords for cash for houses. But as you'll see here, all of the keywords and categories that we're using are focused on consumers that are ready to sell their house quickly. So cash for houses, cash offer for my house, we buy homes, sell my home fast, and then our target CPA on this is $390. Let's take a look at the keywords that I'm referring to. All right, so as you'll see here, these are very focused on consumers that are searching for rapidly selling their house or needing to sell it quickly. So we're using both exact match, phrase match, and we use broad match to drive higher volumes into those markets where phrase match and exact match just can't reach. So you have to get a little creative with that. So get cash for your house, fast cash for your house, cash for home, best cash for your house company. So this is all communicating to the consumer of what they need to do. So if you own an REI or real estate investor business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below. Our team can set up a campaign like this one for your business and launch it for your business in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.